Jollof.
Today we're going to be making
Jollof
rice.
Oh, hi guys. I'm the chef today. I'm Malik. I'm making jollof. That's how they used to do these videos.
Sous chef right here.
Waiting for thingy
Chef.
to freeze. And you put it in for.
Malik is currently in a meeting, which means that I will be taking over. I am meant to wash like 9 cups of rice, which is going to be very annoying.
Grow up to do as a kid, and when you think about now, you're like,
Architect.
Oh, that wasn't gonna work.
Why?
What?
I wanted to be an architect and I wanted to be an interior designer, and I realized I both needed math. The rice is prepared, guys.
With tomatoes. Like you have to like fry with onions, right? And it adds like that jollof kind of like taste to it. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's say that.
Oh, okay, what's your favorite item that you own?
My Japanese knife.
Why?
Because I love Japanese knives. I think they're beautiful. I think the art behind making them is lovely. Yeah, you see that? Niggas got IKEA knives. When you see that the oil and really good work. So what happens? You know how oil and water work? Once the water is absorbed with anything there, the oil will go right to frying. So once that is there, you know that that has fried, and you can put your rice. My question is: Have you ever been in a fight, and if so,
like physical fights?
Physical, and if so, did you win?
I've always wanted to be in a physical fight, and I've always been restrained. Do you think I would win a physical fight?
Probably. You have enough anger in you.
That's true. Also, I played rugby, guys, so I have tactics in which I could like get someone. Tackle is the word.
Yeah. So before you couldn't really dress, right?
Oh,
this was like 2 years ago.
Okay.
So
I could.
3, 4 actually.
Is that an assumption or a question that I couldn't dress?
No. You said so actually one time.
Okay.
Yeah. What inspired you to, I guess, be more presentable? Okay.
Yeah. I felt like everyone was dressing the same way. It was kind of boring. Thrifting changed everything because people around me were thrifting. To be fair, it's a Montreal thing. So a lot of people in Montreal were thrifting, and they made me start thrifting. And then I found I wasn't thrifting the right way though. Like I was just buying anything because it was cheap, and I didn't really have my personal style, which kind of developed through content creation, I guess. Yeah, you know, what is one thing that I do that annoys you dearly? I said one.
Oh, what's the least? I think it's probably not be on time.
I'm on time now. I'm very punctual as a person now.
So you come at 12. What time do you get here?
No, you said that was 2 days ago.
I thought you come at 12. No.
Blah, blah, blah. Proper name, place name, backstories.
What time did you come? 1.
Multiple factors that made that.
There's always multiple factors with you late people. Multiple factors.
There
multiple
was
factors.
multiple factors.
Multiple factors. Factor this, factor that. Dog was in my way. Goldfish died. Abraham Lincoln resurrected. Something. There's always something. How important is money? Like versus passion, in the sense of like, would you work a job that pays really well so you can do your passions outside of that, or would you work at a job that you're passionate about for less money?
At my current age, I would work at a job that pays a lot and then do my passions outside of
The job
that.
you're not happy at, by the way.
I'm not happy. I was not happy. But I was making money. And if I was older, I would definitely do the opposite. Like, I feel like money is important in this economy.
You feel?
Money is so important. There's nothing I can't do. Like, I can't do anything without money. I think it's not realistic to just do my passion right now. It doesn't really make sense. What's your favorite song right now?
Ganja Man by Himra. I listen to this song every morning. On the way to work, every single morning. Obviously, I love Ghanaian music. I love French music.
Yeah.
This is the only song I can think of this life where I'm hearing Tree and French.
I know the song.
It just makes me happy. I love this song. What? Like, I've never listened to a song like this in a while. Like, yeah.
What is the worst outfit I've ever worn in your opinion?
That dress.
What dress?
That dress.
What dress?
That dress.
Oh my god. The Easter dress.
Yeah. That's a terrible dress, man.
I wore it during Easter and all my friends came over and I thought it looked pretty, but pretty was my worst outfit.
Terrible. If you're a fruit, which one would you do?
Passion fruit.
Why?
Because they're so rare to find.
Not really.
No, sorry. Because the camera's...
I can find it right now. 30-minute walk that way.
Oh, it's my English.
Oh, God! Being in English, your degree was in English.
Yes, but I don't
you
think
write
in English
poetic.
because my first language is French, so I think in French. I was gonna say because they're expensive.
Oh,
Je voulais dire parce que c'est cher. That's what I
Okay,
wanted to say.
what's share expensive?
And then I said because it's rare. But I wanted to say the jollof is done. This looks fantastic. It wasn't even that good. It's done. I deleted it.
Guys, shout out to my French niggas. Shout out to my mom. Shout out to the win. Shout out to Young Cole. We'll be okay, bro.
Leaving. Goodbye. Love you guys.
Ganja man. Smoke cannabis. Oh, that's good.